sector runway on the specifications. Oukitel S3 Mini was after a successful launch for the K10000 Max. Oukitel announced a new rugged smartphone at MWC last week, the Oukitel WP5000. This new smartphone features a 18:9 aspect ratio with a unique shape. The device's body is made of zinc alloy and military tri-proof plastic to result in a rather rugged body. The Oukitel WP5000 will sport the 5.7 tough display and a military-grade rugged body which will be waterproof thanks to the IP68 certification as well as 6th-grade dust-proof and shock-proof. It is built for the adventurers and suit for outdoor enthusiasts, long-distance drivers, couriers, swimmers, building workers, etc. Unlike other heavy and thick tri-proof devices, WP5000 looks long and slim due to the 18:9 design. The WP5000 will feature 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage with support for another 128 GB via microSD. Also, it will carry the MediaTek Helio Page 25 64-bit octa-core social. As the name suggests, it will get a 5000 mAh battery for long time using. On the back, WP5000 has a dual-lens camera with a 16MP main sensor interpolated to 21MP. The 8MP 13MP interpolated front snapper is expected to offer clear and wonderful selfie shooting experience. Oukitel revealed the main specs of WP5000 in this short video and will release more details on their official website this week, with details about the phone's features, price, and pre-sale activity.